Now, if you want the best of the best, this is the Chiara Premium range. It is built for heavy use, underfloor heating, and commercial grade performance. These planks are 7 millimeters thick. That's 6 millimeters of rigid SPC core plus a 1.5 millimeter IXPE underlay. That's over 50% thicker than our standard range, giving you next level comfort and stability. Each plank is 1220 millimeters by 228 millimeters. In each box of Chiara Premium SPC flooring, you get 6 planks covering 1.67 square meters. Each plank has a different pattern but a consistent look throughout. The surface has a 0.7 millimeter wear layer, more than double the industry standard, giving it serious resistance to dents, scratches, and stains, perfect for high-traffic commercial spaces. The integrated IXPE underlay absorbs sound and vibration and is completely waterproof. It's also heat conductive, so it won't block warmth from underfloor heating systems. Underfloor heating is actually one of the main reasons you might want to choose the DECKO Chiara Premium range. It was designed to work with hotspot-prone electric underfloor heating, which a lot of other flooring struggles with. As you can see, our box was delivered with a couple of scratches and marks. However, we have made sure to design this box very securely with a very thick cardboard, edge protection, and as you can see, not a scratch or dent on our beautiful Chiara flooring. The Chiara Premium range is also a wider board than our standard range, giving you a much more premium and designer look for your home or commercial spaces. One of the main things that you get with DECKO SPC is performance, and that is 100% waterproof with Unilum patented watertight joints. It has one of the highest fire ratings you can achieve with flooring, as well as excellent slip resistance even in the wet. So you are safe to use these in bathrooms, kitchens, your whole house, indoor, outdoor spaces. The possibilities are endless with DECKO SPC. Order your sample today at deckohub.com.